Pierrette Langevin's brother Robert was awaiting trial at Montreal's Bordeaux jail when COVID-19 hit. The institution went into lockdown in April. Then, in May, a phone call from the hospital. Robert was dead, a victim of COVID-19. It's a shock, she says. I never got to talk to him. How is it that he got so sick? Before he got sick, 72-year-old Langevin filed a complaint for better conditions in March, saying, "I don't want to die here. I'm human and I have rights." More than 600 inmates have tested positive for COVID-19 in a federal or provincial correctional institution, and 3 have died. A national data analysis by CBC News suggests that COVID-19 infection rates are up to 9 times higher among inmates than in the rest of the Canadian population.
Jail hotline, how can I help you?
Suhail Ben Sliman runs a hotline for prisoners. He's concerned about the practice of isolating inmates during the pandemic.
Basically, you are torturing people as a mean of or as a public health response.
CBC News also found at least 3,000 cases of inmates across the country placed in isolation, even in institutions with no coronavirus. In June, Canada's correctional investigator issued a report stating in part, "My office is looking at an overall lifting of restrictions on conditions of confinement. Rights need to be respected and restored." Staff and inmates based in several jails across the country tell CBC News basic distancing and mask wearing are not respected, testing is inconsistent, and those infected don't receive proper health care.
You don't even have the basic ability to wash your hands properly or have any type of PPE equipment. I'm concerned for my life.
Ontario says it has increased cleaning measures and provided inmates with cleaning products to keep their living areas clean. Correctional Services Canada told CBC that we have dedicated health services on site with the equipment needed to monitor and treat inmates. Despite the measures in jails, COVID-19 still proved deadly for Robert Langevin. Valérie Ouellet, CBC News, Montreal.